Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking essentials so you can act immediately. Verify your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to rule out network glitches. Once done, open your App Store and make sure WhatsApp and your phone OS are updated, because outdated builds can block send queues. Make sure storage isn't full. Free up at least a small buffer. If you see a red exclamation on the message, note the contact and message time. That information helps later when retrying or restoring. Now proceed to active recovery. You should force close WhatsApp and reopen it to clear transient errors. This often restores sockets and pending queues. If that fails, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to reset mobile routing. Make sure to wait until full reconnection icons appear. Next, locate the unsent message. Long press to attempt resend or delete if it's corrupted. If you repeatedly hit failure, note whether the issue is single contact, group, or all messages, because that narrows the next fixes. Finish by preserving data. Backup chats to cloud or local storage before major changes. Once backed up, clear the app cache, and if that doesn't help, reinstall WhatsApp. This removes corrupted app state. After reinstall, restore your backup and check the previously unsent messages. Restore recovers most content. Make sure to test sending immediately. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, try your account on a different phone or swap the SIM to identify whether the issue is device, network, or account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.